This is a video chart presentation of American Consolidated Minerals Corp. brought to you by All Penny Stocks with technical analysis by Andy from Understanding Pincher Plays. American Consolidated trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker V.AJC. Quick look at the chart shows a real nice climb from down here around 6.5 cents, all the way up to peaking around 30, in a bit of a consolidation pattern right now, but we're looking for this with the possibility of making a breakout. We should see a lot of wedge sort of formations going on with the indicators at this point. You kind of see it, the histogram is kind of in that position right now, getting ready to make another bullish cross. You can see the histogram just popped above zero, telling you that the signal line has been crossed. Almost identical situation with the PPO. The ADX has settled itself down very low. It's down in a trading pattern. You can see just under 13. Plenty of room for this to try and make a turn to the north. First, you want to see it break through 20, then a break through 30 to establish a strong trend. So we're going to look for this. If it breaks down, obviously, the trend can still get stronger. If it breaks up, we're going to see this ADX roll this way and the positive DI continue to the north side. MFI is all in a nice position, all nice and tightly together. You can see all around, right around 50. That's what you want to see. Got some pretty quick snap action going around with these, but I like to see them all together as a possibility of making a move. Again, you can see kind of a triangle pattern. A little bit of a downtrend is a little bit stronger in this case, but it's looking like it's going to try and break back up and go through them. See this 21, this gold line's kind of gone sideways and sideways. We want to see that try and make a break back through this about 60, 70 area and break through the channel that it's in. Accumulation distribution still with a nice overall uptrend. You can see right there it broke through the trend line it was in. But still overall trying to make a turn again. This is where that consolidation's going on. We want to try and see this make a move to the north. Chicken money flow dropped off with a little bit of selling going on through here. Some of these big down days. Now apparently trying to make a turn. Looks like it's going to try and make a move back towards zero. Right now selling pressure is overcoming buying pressure. As it moves farther this direction, the two begin to even themselves out. CCI with the breakthrough zero, heading towards 100. By definition, that is the buy point for the CCI, of course, to be used in conjunction with all the other indicators. When it breaks through 100, that means it's trading to the upside, outside of its normal trading range. We're going to want to see this full still get through 50. Kind of in a bit of a downtrend. You can see the trend line that it's got going right down through here. We want to see this break through 50. It shows some strength is coming in, some momentum is coming into this chart. Tricks kind of in the same sort of situation. Trending down. Looks like we're about ready to get a signal line cross. You want to see this make a break and try and roll back towards zero. Some key things in this chart lie in this area of the indicators. You can see that the 14 and 21 now are both breaking through 50, 52 and 54. The 7 is leading the way, but without too great of a separation. The RSIs are really getting into a bull chart territory. And the other key thing is these trend lines on this chart. You see that trend line? Kind of getting ourselves a wedge going on through here. It's continuously making higher lows, and that's what you want to see, but it's not making higher highs yet. It's going to need to blow through this trend line and this resistance right here at 23. You can see it went up and touched it again today and got knocked down. It's getting these short-term moving averages underneath it to try and give it some strength. Barely trading over the 50-day. It did climb over it today, which is bullish. We want to see it break through this 50-day. Doesn't start to make a curl down towards the 200. We want to see it continue its uptrend and continue strong. And what that's going to take is good volume, 617,000 shares. You can see it picked up a little bit today. Going to need to see volume stay strong and see it take out that 23. That's the first step in this making the move. Breaking that 23 also can possibly break this trend line with just a little bit more of a move up to 24, 23 and a half, somewhere through there. Going to see some more PPS resistance up here around 26 to make a new higher high, then ultimately at 29. But this starts by holding this trend line, breaking this trend line, and breaking through this PPS resistance. These are the kind of things that I'll be looking for with V.AJC. Again, this annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence, consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. To begin learning technical analysis while on the All Penny Stocks website, please click on the feature link to Understanding Pincher Plays, and you'll be on your way. Thank you, and trade smart.